Hmm. Hey, everybody. Welcome back for another edition. Let's get right into this. Uh, I am going to read the cover letter that accompanies the writ of execution that's getting served on bar members. All right. Responsible corporate officer and agent for the bar. The people being the last line of defense to our unalienable rights and the protection of our land, air, and water, have been forced to take a stand and provide new guards, as the Declaration of Independence makes clear as our duty. The People's Bureau of Investigation is one of many new guards. After extensive investigation, the people have concluded bar attorneys and responsible corporate officers are the enemy of the people. You are a responsible corporate officer and agent for the bar. You have been convicted of multiple crimes against humanity by a high court on the land and on the sea. You have been convicted by the Environmental Court, a court created by an act of Congress assembled October 18th, 1972, and commissioned of, for, and by the people in 2013. Please see the attached writ of execution and a resolution for responsible corporate officer that must be signed in order for the tribunal to consider any measure of leniency regarding sentencing for your crimes against humanity. Your current position as a responsible corporate officer or corporation makes you an enemy of the people by default. You are knowingly or unknowingly engaged in overt acts of war and warring against the people. Neither you or the de facto system that you represent have jurisdiction or standing at law. Your so-called jurisdiction was founded on fraud. Our government has been occupied by foreign agents of the bar, enemies of the people, now for over 200 years. The bar that you represent attempted to hide this knowledge from the people and failed. Now it is time you are held accountable. America currently has approximately 175 bar attorneys in the U.S. Congress. Bar attorneys are British accredited registered agents, often referred to as esquires. An esquire is a title of nobility. They are also referred to as bank authorized representatives. Bar agents are beholden to the Crown Corp. Bar agents currently operating within all levels of government shall be abrogated. Bar agents consistently come against the Judiciary Act of 1789 that was affirmed in 1948 under USC 1654. The people have a right to represent themselves. The people were supposed to be educated regarding their rights and common law. The bar eliminated what should have been common knowledge. The bar agents have unlawfully monopolized and weaponized the unlawful legal system against the people. According to the original Article 13 in the Bill of Rights, anyone with a title of nobility, an esquire, bar attorney, cannot operate within our governments. The War of 1812 involved book burnings and an attempt to eliminate and hide Article 13. The United States Constitution Title of Nobility Clause makes it clear that agents of the bar are enemy of the people. Bill of Rights, Article 13. If any citizen of the United States shall accept, claim, receive, or retain any title of nobility or honor or shall, without consent of Congress, accept and retain any present, pension, office, or emolument of any kind whatever from any emperor, king, prince, or foreign power, such person shall cease to be a citizen of the United States and shall be incapable of holding any office of trust or profit under them, or either of them. U.S. Constitution, Article 1, Section 9, Clause 8. No title of nobility shall be granted by the United States, and no person holding any office of profit or trust under them shall, without consent of Congress, accept of any present emolument, office, or title, or any kind whatever from any king, prince, or foreign state. The republic was largely taken over, sidelined, and sacrificed by the corporate rulers by way of esquires. The people of the republic will no longer allow persons with title of nobility to operate within our government. The law and our founding documents speak for themselves. The republic is alive and well. Your immediate resignation is required. You must get your affairs in order and be prepared to plead for mercy before the tribunal. Sincerely, one of the people. And that's what's going to accompany the Environmental District Court for the Environmental District of the United States. A uniform writ of execution, notice of criminal fines, demand for settlement of penalties, citizen's arrest, no warrant required. That's the facts, Jack. You parasites, you have enslaved us. You have dumbed us down. You not only poison us, you're so stupid you poison yourself. You poison your families, your mothers, your fathers, your brothers, your sisters, your children, your aunts, your uncles, your cousins, your friends, your associates. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Bar attorneys, bar judges. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. The penalty for treason is death. We have had it. We have had it with your BS, your evil monopoly on we the people. The bounty on you bar attorneys is $20,000, and it increases every month. The bounty on responsible corporate officers is $10,000, and it increases every month. All right. It's all right with me. I'm sure it's all right with Americans. What you have done is unforgivable. The way you have destroyed lives, the way you have poisoned our environment and enslaved and entrapped us. An attorney once told me, the client may go to prison. The attorney always goes to lunch. Enjoy your lunch while you can. Because the tables have turned. We, the people, own our authority, and we have enforcement through the environmental court and the monies to pay for it all through the Internal Revenue and the Treasury. May God have mercy on your soul.